China is now outpacing the U.S. in fifth-gen fighter jet production. So not just the GPTs of the world, not just Moss. They're also like, we got some jets, build some jets. What you're looking at there is an Air Force F-22 Raptor fighter jet. You know that thing's pretty quick, Will. Take a guess. How many mph are you looking at?
400.
Go up, Willie do. That thing can get around the globe, baby.
600. More?
I want more speed.
1,000?
I think it's like 1,500.
Jeez.
Yeah, we're talking about Mach stuff here.
Oh, wow.
We're talking about speed of sound. We're up in there. We're up in those ranges.
Okay.
Now, China has their very own fifth-gen fighter. It's not quite as quick as this one. China's inventory of J-20A fighters already boasts 150 available jets, nearly matching America's current count of 187 F-22 Raptors. The pace of China's defense industrial output means it's catching up. Indeed, if deliveries continued at the same speed in 2023, the number of J-20As will eclipse the inventory of U.S. Air Force's other fifth-generation combat aircraft, the F-22. This comes from John Chipman, who is the chief executive of the London-based International Institute for Strategic Studies. That's the guy you want to talk to. You got military questions. You're like, hey man, who's got the jets? You talk to him. Immediate equipment requirements have led some European states to look to new suppliers beyond domestic and traditional sources. The F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet, was launched in the 90s, and it's still considered the most capable of all of the fighter jets, the most advanced jet in the U.S., or at least in the U.S. But where does it say? Oh, give me my speed. I want to see my speed. There you go, 1,500 miles per hour, Mach 2.25. Without using its afterburners.
Oh, wow.
God, I love the sound of afterburner.
You think Tom Cruise drove that?
Drove it?
Rode it?
Flew it?
Flew it? Piloted it? One of those ones.
You just see Tom Cruise on the highway?
Yeah.
Just commuting to work in his F-22 Raptor. Yeah, I believe they actually did. No, they didn't, because remember the whole topic in the thing was they couldn't even get
Is this gonna be a
fifth
spoiler?
gen. No, don't you remember that? They're like, it kept bothering me. I'm like,
Okay.
You're Tom Cruise.
Okay.
What do you mean they're not going to give you a fifth gen? But I don't know. It could be Army secrets and stuff.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe somebody can verify this for me in the comments. What was this topic that they couldn't have fifth-gen fighters, that they had to use for this crazy mission they had to do? They had to use these subpar jets. I don't know if they were decommissioned or what. But the F-22, that's the one. That's your guy.
Okay.
The Raptor.
Very cool.
I don't even know who's watched this film. But anyway, China's building theirs, and the U.S. can build more of theirs if they want to keep their superiority in terms of numbers. But you got to understand, it takes a while to build these things. And you have to also understand why these things are in my feed, because I got the aircraft. I like the airplanes.
Yeah.
All right.
Is this story, is there more to this story?
There's always more to the story, Will.